Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to get promo code for TikTok Shop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get promo codes for your TikTok Shop, you need to follow your favorite creators on TikTok. So you need to follow your favorite creators on TikTok, check the Shop tab in the app, and also consider signing up for email alerts. You can also look for gift code stickers in TikTok ads according to the TikTok for business profiles. So, creators on TikTok may be offering exclusive deals and promo codes during their shopping events. So, if you're checking out different kind of TikTok creators who have different types of shop in TikTok, you can get promo codes from staying in their live or checking out their bio or clicking on the link that they provide during their any of the streams or videos. So by following this, you can simply get promo code for TikTok shop. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.